everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about hats. Yep, hats. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a great time. Just go right down here to that little red button that says subscribe. Click it. When it turns gray, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these educational videos. Also, right above the subscribe button is a share button. Share this out on social media so your friends and family, relatives and stuff will get this information too, and you won't have to be trying to remember to repeat it to them. All right, so let's get on with hats. Hats are very important year-round. Summertime especially, protects you from the sun, especially if you're missing hair, keeps you from getting sunburned up there. There's all sorts of hats. There's ball caps, there's cowboy hats, there's garden hats, those big broad ones where they have the vents around it so you don't get all hot and sweaty out there working in the garden. For the wintertime too, we also have winter hats. Put it on, wraps around your face, keeps your face nice and dry, warm and dry, and keeps the snow off and everything. So there are a lot of types of different hats: safety hats, hard hats, welding hats. They're sort of like a baseball cap, but they go on backwards. They don't have an opening here, and the welding hood goes over it, and basically it protects the top of your head from any sparks flying up. All right, so there are a lot of hats and a lot of safety reasons for wearing hats, mainly protecting your body. All right, so with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water especially, food, clothing, medication. Why? Well, this is why.